Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some year 10 revision explanations for you to explain about different revisions. So like method 1, method 2, and talking about each of those methods. So we're going to get in there and hope you enjoy this and hope this is useful. Thank you. So method 1, flashcard. So what you can do is write a question on one side and answer on the other side. Repeat the ones you could not remember. Helpful for remembering vocabulary and keywords, for example in MFL or English. Top tips. When testing, always say or write the answer before turning the card over to check you can recall it. Don't spend ages making them look great. Retrieval practice is the important bit about revision. Now, you will understand this a bit more as you go through the year, but you will get used to doing your own revision methods. That's the best method for home revision. So, we're going to move on to method 2. Okay, so revision method for method 2 is summarising in a diagram. So, take written information, say from your book or somewhere online, and just organise it into a diagram, really. Avoid passive reading, highlighting or copying, which do not help us remember things. Helpful for recalling a scientific protest, historical event, or findings of a graph or study. So that's probably going to be one of the most important parts about this, doing retrieval information. So do this on a mini whiteboard, as it does not need to be as beautiful, or do it on some scrap piece of paper, whatever, because it doesn't need to be beautiful. It's just recalling knowledge and testing yourself to see, have you understood this knowledge, say, for instance, maths, or do like science, maybe. Take science for an example. So like drawing, like you've been doing cells in year 10. You can draw a diagram out for cells, like cytoplasm or stuff like that. So I'm going to talk to you now about one of my favourite ones is method 3, a revision clock. It is my favourite one to do, especially in school time. It's not favourite outside of school, but draw a clock face template for 12 mini brain dumps and in different categories. Label each number on the clock face as a category. Helpful to revise a topic with lots of different sections of themes. For example, English or humanities subjects like more geography and history. But English is a good one. So like if you do in the UK the spectacles, that's going to be key and a key theme and a key knowledge. So yeah, that's my favourite one and it's really great. And use your notes or textbooks to create different categories or headings. Limit the time spent filling out each section because it will take ages. And check your work afterwards, fill in the gaps with different colours because they're going to help. So the last method is method 4. So thinking and linking grid. It's good, but it's not my favourite ones. It's like a mass coordinate grid. And normally 6x6 grid coordinate, and just fill in like a topic and explain, roll a dice twice to get the coordinates for one box, then repeat to get next, explain a link between the two words. It's great for linking information which can help with remembering it, but use your notes to identify key vocabulary to put in your grid. Can also be used to roll and retrieve. Roll the dice and recall as much as possible about the square you get. And keep doing this. So add a time limit. Do different time limits for each time you do it, because you will get better at it. Trust me. But anyway, thank you all for watching this brilliant year 10 revision video. It's going to be introducing a study video. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I will speak to you in the next video. Peace out.